All right, what is up, everyone? Welcome back with another video. Hope you guys are having a good day, morning, night, whatever time you're watching this. I got the car all cleaned up, ready for this car meet that we're about to go to. Keep those exhaust tips. I just spent like some time washing this car, polished the exhaust tips, got it all nice and cleaned up and everything. Look at that. Get ready to head over there and meet up with some other people at the gas station before we go. Should be a pretty good turnout. So the homie Nismo Nick is doing a get together. Usually when he plans these car meets, it always ends up being a good turnout. So I had to stop for some coffee real quick. Let me do a medium white chocolate annihilator, iced.
Iced, perfect.
And here's my
The total comes up to $6.12 for us. Thank you.
Good day, thank you.
You too, thank you.
Got my drink. Alright guys, I just pulled up. Already had the first car pull up right now. What's up, bro?
Said 5.
I know, and then they said 5:30, so I was like kind of confused. Hey, we got an Evo pulled up too. Thomas's Evo, clean ass Evo. I don't know if you guys remember. We got more cars coming, guys. We just had Norman pull up too. Oh shit! It scared me. Here's Polly. is up? We're live. We just made it to the meet.
Glasses don't help you, Lord. Hey, is that a... What I mean?
Oh shit, I forgot my wallet on the car. Somebody could have...
On the car?
On the car, bro. Somebody could have had a...
Guys.
What's up, bro?
I want to be rich like you guys, you know?
You have like 4 cars, bitch. What do you mean? You got like 4 cars. I want to be like you.
You don't want to be like me, bro.
How you doing?
Good, bro.
What up, sexy?
What's up? Why'd you move your car?
Bitch ass told me to move it.
Bring that shit back.
Right, yeah.
What's up, bro?
Behind the
Congrats on the new whip.
This is my lady.
Hi. Jacob. Nice to meet you.
Bro?
What's going on, bro? You should blow my eardrums, bro.
I'm sorry, man. Didn't mean
You blew my eardrums. You drove past me like...
to do some pops and bangs right in your ear.
I knew you were gonna do it, but I was mentally prepared by not. That's a sick color, bro. Let me say what's up to you.
Habibi.
How you doing? Got all these cars here. Look at this guy. On the floor, bro. Literally. And then you have Capitan over here. Look at this guy. Bunch of dope cars here. Big thanks to the homie Nick for making this happen. Getting all these cars together. Like somebody out here flying a drone. Got David's GTR. He also has a G80. This guy's a real big baller, shot caller. Look at that. Angel's GTR too. This thing is sick. Got more cars here. An R32. What's out here? I hear something. I hear something. Right here. Nismo. My bad, bro. Who bought a Nismo? That's, oh, I'm talking about this. I know what this is, but I was talking about this one right here. It's a Nismo, huh? Is it? Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah. With the clear tails, too. I want one. Oh. Yeah, I do want one eventually. It'd be dope. Somebody bought an R34 wagon?
Yeah. Really?
No.
Autograph right here, please. Autograph.
Autograph. What you doing?
I'm just filming your car right now. No, it's not.
Oh, there he goes.
Alright guys, so if you know this car right here, this is Fresh Kicks' old G35 that he gave away, which I was this close to winning, by the way. I was only 21 numbers away from winning this car, but I forgot that guy's name. Shout out to him. He won the car, you know. Big congrats to him. That's awesome, because it's literally painted midnight purple too. Got the Kanzai wheels on it too, which is pretty sick. HR swapped.
Oh,
are you? Is
I know
it
you're gonna
right
miss
now?
me, and you should be proud of me. I didn't say. Reds and tea.
Gotta get her, bro. Get her decal right here on the windshield.
You know what it says?
Damn guys, so this is the new Nismo Armada. This thing's sick. Hey, imagine you get a trailer and you're towing a GTR with it.
Dude,
That's red too.
Drive safe.
Damn, Millennium J2. That's fire.
that shit's loud as hell. Yeah, that shit's loud as hell. Where he built it was loud.
34 is gonna go to a step. Come on, let's go.
Damn. These guys are getting rowdy again, bro. That's just too loud, bro. Put it back the fuck up. That's just too loud. That shit's way too loud, bro. Alright, you guys, I'm recording from my phone right now because my camera died. I need to invest in one of those battery packs for that camera. But yeah, I might, oh my god, shut up. I have another video I'm going to be vlogging on Sunday too. For we'll go for a cannonball run. Like me, a bunch of GTRs, the crazy supercars, like, bruh, this thing is pissing me off. Shut up! I get it, there's cops, whatever, blah, 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 blah. Anyways, back to what I was saying. There's a cruise on Sunday with a bunch of, like, supercars, I think, muscle cars, GTRs. Like, there's going to be a grip ton of people, like, JDM cars, too. They usually do a cannibal run, and it gets fun. Somebody's hosting it, and I got invited by a few of my homies. Yeah, man, my sleep schedule's been so garbage lately, you guys. Like, I need some freaking sleep, dude. I got my schedule changed at work, and now I'm working, like, I go in at nighttime, so I'm not, like, driving like how I used to, where I would work from, you know, like, 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. till, like, whenever I'm done for the day, like, 7, 6 p.m., whatever, 9 p.m. sometimes, too. You guys know my whole driving schedule and how the schedule is. So now it's like my schedule's all different. Like tonight I gotta go in at 3 a.m. and it's 9 o'clock right now, so I gotta be up at like 5 hours, and I freaking hate this, bro. I am so freaking tired, and I need sleep. I need a day where I just catch up on sleep and just rest, because I'm drenched, bro. I can't be doing this no more. I just know that one day it's gonna pay off, and I just gotta keep going. Just gotta keep grinding, because, you know, we all go through these things for a reason. You know, whether it's good or bad, it makes us or breaks us. You know what I mean? But yeah, I just pulled up home. On that note, guys, I'm ending the video here. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you also for 600 subscribers. You guys are killing it with the support. Like always, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Y'all have a good night.
They be up all in they feelings. I be up all in my bag, yeah. I know they didn't believe me. I did it, I'm taking off fast, huh? GTR body car fast, huh? 0 to 160 fast, huh? GTR body car fast, huh?